Back pad, I think. Azam Khan, brilliant. He's got a wonderful voice. He can keep, he can bat, he can sing. There's a good bit of banter here. We've got Usman Kadir bowling his leggies, Azam Khan, Mohammed Harris, Iftikhar Ahmed. Plenty of banter. Good on you, Azam Khan.
Unlike you two, better.
Well, they've been rolled.
Oh, he's chipping away. Ooh. Where's that gone? Nowhere.
This is really, really good fun here from Azam Khan behind the pegs. Mohammed Harris trying to pump it leg side.
Swinging a miss, there's a low edges there. Big appeal, no. Just a smile from the umpire, who says not out. End of the over.
Azam Khan. I know who's winning that fight.